Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we shall solve a geometric problem. The problem is two extended chord AC and BD meet extended chord of a AC and BD of a circle. Two extended chord AC and BD of a circle meet at the point P outside the circle, and O is the center of the circle. Here two angles are given, one of them is AOB whose value is 42 degree, AOB is 42 degree, and other angle is CPD whose value is 18 degree. We have to find out the value of COD. So, now let us start the solution. We have already known some properties of circle. One of the properties of the circle is on the same arc of the circle, angle at the center is equal to the twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. On the same arc, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. Angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. This is one of the properties of the circle. Here we use this property to solve this problem. Now, on the same arc, on the same arc AB, angle AOB and angle ACB are at the center and the circumference of the circle. So, angle at the center is equal to the twice the angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is AOB. So, AOB equal to twice the angle ACB, which implies angle ACB equal to half into angle AOB. We have already given angle AOB is given as 42 degree. The angle AOB is given as 42 degree. So, half into 42 degree, that is 21 degree. The value of ACB is 21 degree. Now, the angle ACB, again the angle ACB, again angle ACB is the external angle of triangle CPB. ACB is an external angle. There are three external angle of CPB. ACB is one of the external angle, that is ACB is an external angle. ACB is an external angle. ACB is an external angle of triangle CPB. We also know that we also know the relation among the angle about the external angle and other two opposite internal angle. The relation among the external angle and other two opposite internal angle is that the external angle is equal to the other two opposite internal angle, sum of the two internal angle, opposite internal angle. External angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite internal angle of the triangle. This is the property of a circle, triangle. This is the property of a triangle. This property is the external angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite internal angle. So, we can write ACB external angle ACB equal to sum of the two opposite internal angle. Two opposite internal angle are CPB and CBP. So, CPB plus CBP. Also CPB, angle CPB is given as 18 degree, that is CPD is 18 degree, CPD and CPB are same angle. So, angle CPB is 18 degree. Angle CPD and angle CPB are the same angle. So, angle CPB is also equal to 18 degree because angle CPD is given as 18 degree. So, 18 degree plus angle CBP. So, also ACB we have already got ACB equal to 21 degree. So, this implies angle CBP equal to 3 degree. Again, on the same arc CD, on the same arc CD, on the same arc CD, COD is at COD is an angle which is at the center of the circle, and CBP is an angle which is at the circumference of the circle. So, we have already known the relation between them. The relation is that the angle at the center is equal to the twice the angle at the circumference. So, on the same arc COD and CBD or CBP, because CBD and CBP are same angle. CBD and CBD and CBP are the same angle, that is angle COD and CBD or CBP are at the center and circumference of the circle, So, we can write the angle at the center is equal to the twice the angle at the circumference. So, angle COD is equal to the twice the angle CBD, which is at the circumference of the circle. So, 2 into CBD and CBP are the same angle. So, the value of them are 3 degree. So, CBD is also 3 degree. CBB and CBD are the same angle. CBP and CBD are the same angle. So, also the value of CBD is also 3 degree. So, COD equal to 2 into 3 degree equal to 6 degree. This is the required value of COD. So, we have got the value of COD. Thanks for watching this video. See you next day.